Aviation technology can be successfully applied on water. A prime example is the Boeing 929 Jet Foil. The American company Boeing decided to step beyond the skies and created a unique passenger vessel on hydrofoils. Drawing on the same engineering solutions used in designing the Boeing 737 and 757 airliners, the jet foil became a truly flying boat. It is equipped with powerful gas turbine engines and water jet propulsion, while its hydrofoils allow the vessel to lift above the water surface when reaching cruising speed. This reduces drag and ensures an incredibly smooth ride, even in waves up to 4 meters high. The jet foil can reach speeds of up to 45 kilometers per hour, carries up to 350 passengers, and demonstrates excellent maneuverability and braking, with a turning radius of about 200 meters and a stopping distance of only 150 meters. Special attention was paid to comfort. Thanks to the foil-borne technology, traveling on the jet foil feels like flying, with no vibration, no pitching, and minimal noise. Before you is perhaps one of the most beautiful and fastest passenger vessels of the 20th century, the KDA Hydrooil. This Soviet-era passenger craft on hydrofoils became a true icon of engineering brilliance in its time. The main hull of the vessel was built from lightweight aluminum alloy, while its defining feature, hydrodynamic wings, allowed the KDA to literally rise above the water. Thanks to this design, it could reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour, maintaining smoothness and stability even in waves of up to 2 to 2.5 meters. Powered by 2 powerful diesel engines, each with 1,000 horsepower, the KDA was capable of covering distances of up to 445 kilometers without refueling. The vessel could carry up to 120 passengers and was operated by a crew of 5. Even today, more than half a century later, the KDA continues to impress with its technical elegance and the enduring relevance of its design. One of the most impressive achievements in modern water transport is the emergence of next-generation hydrofoil boats, ushering in a new era of marine engineering. These innovative vessels are equipped with active underwater wings, hydrofoils, which lift the hull above the water as the boat accelerates, dramatically reducing drag and enabling high speeds with minimal energy consumption. Thanks to advanced electric propulsion systems, these boats operate almost silently, creating no waves and causing no harm to the environment. Automatic balancing systems allow the vessel to adapt in real time to changing conditions, such as wind, waves, and passenger weight, ensuring a ride that is exceptionally stable, comfortable, and safe. Such boats are increasingly being considered as alternatives to traditional motorboats and water-based public transport, particularly in large coastal cities and megacities with well-developed waterways. The water taxi of the future was recently unveiled by the American startup Navier. The company has developed a unique vessel called the Navier N30, a fully electric hydrofoil boat that allows you to literally glide above the water, minimizing resistance and delivering an incredibly smooth and quiet ride. The key technological feature of the N30 is its hydrofoils, underwater wings that lift the hull above the surface once a certain speed is reached. This drastically reduces drag and allows the vessel to reach speeds of up to approximately 65 kilometers per hour, while ensuring an almost silent ride free from the typical impact of waves. On a single charge, the N30 can travel about 140 kilometers. The boat's hull is made from lightweight composite materials, and its electronically controlled stabilization system keeps the vessel level even in choppy water. It accommodates up to 6 passengers and is piloted by a single operator. The French startup Sea Bubbles has once again captured global media attention after conducting a series of test runs of its unique water capsules on the Seine River. These compact electric vessels look like futuristic pods floating above the water, thanks to a hydrofoil system that lifts the hull above the surface as they move. The result is an effect of near-complete levitation, allowing Sea Bubbles to glide silently, without waves or emissions. A perfect fit for the vision of eco-friendly cities of tomorrow. powered entirely by electricity and charged via solar panels and dockside stations. The capsule is designed to carry several passengers and is primarily intended for urban water transport. The Sea Bubbles project is supported at the government level and could become part of the future transportation network in major cities, where reducing emissions and easing road congestion is a top priority. Paris may become the first city where these capsules operate regularly, transforming the familiar landscape of urban mobility. Tesla is once again preparing to redefine transportation, but this time not on land, but on the open sea. The company is actively working on the development of its first fully electric yacht, which is already generating tremendous interest in both tech circles and the maritime industry. The project is reportedly under the direct supervision of Elon Musk himself, adding significant weight and status to it within the company. This yacht will be a true embodiment of Tesla's philosophy, focused on sustainability, autonomy, and cutting-edge design. It is expected to feature an ultra-modern hull with elements inspired by the Cybertruck's style, and its propulsion system will be powered by a highly efficient battery platform based on Tesla energy technologies. The yacht is anticipated to be not only completely silent, but also equipped with an autonomous navigation system, similar to the autopilot found in Tesla's vehicles. The Tesla yacht is already being called a potential revolution in the world of maritime luxury, not just a beautiful vessel, but a technological breakthrough with no current equivalent. The official unveiling may take place within the next few years, and judging by Tesla's past innovations, it will not just be a spectacular showcase, it will mark the beginning of a new era. The British startup Flying Mantis has unveiled one of the most unusual watercraft in its class. The Flying Mantis hybrid sailing catamaran, capable not only of gliding across the water, but actually lifting above it thanks to its hydrofoil system. This lightweight and agile vessel, made from composite materials, combines 3 modes in one: a traditional catamaran, a high-speed sailboat, and a true hydrofoil. With sufficient wind, the boat rises above the water, significantly reducing drag and delivering impressive speed and a smooth ride. Flying on the foil eliminates wave impacts, making every trip feel like soaring through the air. The vessel weighs only about 50 kilograms. It is equipped with a foil stabilization system with mechanical auto-adjustment, which gently maintains the boat at the optimal height above the water, even in shifting winds. Another striking representative of the electric future on water is the Narqu Electrojet, the world's first electric luxury water jet bike, which looks like something straight out of science fiction. This unique vehicle is a hybrid between a powerful jet ski and an elegant aquatic sports car. Developed by Hungarian engineers, the Electrojet combines eco-friendliness, silence, and powerful dynamics, offering not only the thrill of speed but also absolutely zero emissions. Unlike traditional gasoline-powered models, the Electrojet runs on a high-capacity battery that provides up to 2 hours of active riding without recharging, and it can reach a top speed of over 70 kilometers per hour. The body is made from carbon fiber, while the cockpit's ergonomics and design are focused on premium-level comfort. This vehicle is already generating excitement among water tech enthusiasts and showcases what sustainable recreation could look like in the near future: stylish, high-tech, and completely silent. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.